لَا يُقَاتِلُونَكُمْ جَمِيعًا. They're not going to fight you all together. They're not going to come out in front and meet you in the battlefield. Now it's talking about Banu Nudayr also. إِلَّا فِي قُرًى مُحَصَّنَةٍ. Except if they do fight you, they're going to be in towns that are well fortified. أَوْ مِنْ وَرَاءِ جُدُرٍ. Or from behind walls, like strategic locations where they don't have to meet you face to face. Traditional battle, when you face the enemy in classical times, was two armies gather up and they clash face to face. But they would never do that. If they did fight you, it'll be from behind a wall, behind a fort. They'll find some kind of other strategic location to fight you from. بَأْسُهُمْ بَيْنَهُمْ شَدِيدٌ. Let me tell you something, inside information about the Jewish community of Medina. Allah says, their wars and their conflicts among themselves are intense. تَحْسَبُهُمْ جَمِيعًا. You think they're all united. You think they're all on one page. وَقُلُوبُهُمْ شَتَّى. And their hearts are all over the place. ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّهُمْ قَوْمٌ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ. That is because they're a nation that refuses to apply their intellect. If they really thought about what's the best advantageous thing for them, it was Islam itself, but they can't consider that option. كَمَثَلِ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ قَرِيبًا. They're just like those who were not too long before, way before them, just before them recently, meaning the people of Badr, in the battle of Badr, what the Meccans suffered. ذَاقُوا وَبَالَ أَمْرِهِمْ. They've already tasted the consequences of their decisions. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ. And they have painful punishment, particularly. كَمَثَلِ الشَّيْطَانِ. This is all just like the work of shaitan, the example of shaitan. إِذْ قَالَ لِلْإِنسَانِ اكْفُرْ. When he says to the human being, disbelieve. فَلَمَّا كَفَرَ. And then when finally he disbelieves, قَالَ إِنِّي بَرِيءٌ مِّنْكَ. He says, I got nothing to do with you. He says, these munafiqun are acting just like shaitan does. Shaitan comes to the human being and says, I'm with you, man. I'm with you, just disbelieve. I got you covered. And then he says, I got nothing to do with you. What are the Jews doing with those tribes? What are the munafiqun doing with those tribes? They're going to the Jews and saying, hey guys, we got you back. And when the time comes, La ilaha illallah, astaghfirullah, we're going to be with the Jews. Al-Maghdub alayhim, no way. Qala inni bari'un minka. I got nothing to do with you. I'm completely absolved from you. I have no association with you. Inni akhafu Allah rabbal alameen. No, I'm afraid of Allah, the master of all nations.